Today we've had Hijinx Theatre with us, and they've been working with the second year nursing students from all fields of practice, and we've been working on how we upskill their communication skills to work with people with learning disabilities.
Hijinx Theatre Company is an inclusive theatre company that's renowned across Europe for creating theatre and film with actors with or without learning disabilities.
Embedding service users in our nurse education is important at Bangor University. We make sure that the voice of the people that we work with is integrated into our teaching. And therefore, a session like today with Hijinx, where it's interactive and they learn from people with learning disabilities, is a part of our curriculum.
So today's session we were leading with the nurses here at Bangor University on some training around communication.
She's a bit nervous. Is it okay if we just take a minute, let her settle down?
Oh, no, we haven't got time to mess about today.
I think this kind of interactive style where they get the opportunity to come up in a very open, friendly, non-critical kind of environment and try things out in a scenario with actors who can listen and react in the moment, I think is a really good way of learning.
I think it's important to highlight the reasonable adjustments needed for individuals with a learning disability. And how effective communication is really important to make the patient feel comfortable and for the nursing care to be provided in a person-centred and holistic manner.
So today with Hijinx, we're hopefully that the students have upskilled their communication skills, but they are using different ways and looking at reasonable adjustments so that they meet the needs of people with learning disability and give them quality care at the end of the day.